Mayday, Mayday, Cactus 1549. We've lost both engines. Both engines. Good afternoon, Sheila.
Captain.
Altimeters verify. 3023.
3023.
Sully, captain of A320, is the expert of flying. He has 42 years of experience.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome on board U.S. Airways Flight 1549 with service to Charlotte.
LaGuardia Ram Cactus 1549, ready for pushback at gate 21.
Cactus 1549, gate 21, cleared to push, spot 28, ground for taxi.
The plane started to move as usual.
Cactus 1549, runway 4, clear for takeoff.
Cactus 1549, clear for takeoff.
After taking off, he was talking about the scenery of the Hudson River.
Nice view of the Hudson.
Life's easier in the air.
Birds.
Whoa. Oh, shit.
The pilots faced a terrible situation.
We got both of them rolling back. I'm starting the APU.
Just double check your seatbelts, please.
At first, the CA reassured the passengers.
Get out the QRH. Loss of thrust on both engines.
QRH is the handbook for emergency.
Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. This is Cactus 1549. We hit birds. We've lost thrust on both engines. We are turning back towards LaGuardia.
Which engine did you lose?
Both engines.
Soup, I have an emergency. Cactus 1549, if we can get it for you, do you want to try to land runway 13?
We are unable. We may end up in the Hudson.
The captain, who judged that the altitude was too low, attempted a landing on the river. And the captain announces the passengers.
This is the captain. Brace for impact.
Brace for impact means get ready for a crash.
What?
Brace, brace, brace! Heads down, stay down!
We're on a brace.
After an emergency landing, the captain goes to the cabin and calls the passengers to evacuate.
Evacuate!
Captain Sully's safe emergency landing allowed all passengers to remain safe. Captain Sully accomplished his mission as captain. After checking all the cabins, the captain escaped from the airplane. Then he calls the wife first.
Hello?
I'm okay. Not a scratch somehow. I love you, and I'm okay. Tell the girls I'm okay. Dan, I need to know who's hurt and how badly, and I need it now. 155. That's my number. That's passengers and crew.
Good news comes during the inspection.
155. 155. It's official.
And Captain Sully became the hero of everyone.
Are you the pilot? Sully? Hey, it's a pleasure to meet you.
Captain Sully Sullenberger, who with almost no time became a man for all time.
But NTSB begins investigation into emergency landing.
Why didn't you attempt to return to LaGuardia?
There simply was not enough altitude.
Aviation engineers are theorizing you had enough energy to make it back to a runway.
Well, engineers are not pilots. They're wrong.
Although all passengers are safe, Captain Sully was questioned by NTSB.
When was your last drink, Captain Sullenberger?
9 days ago.
Drugs?
No, never.
First Officer Skiles?
Don't drink.
Even they seem to say it was a mistake of captain.
Every computer simulation with the exact flight parameters demonstrated that a return to LaGuardia was possible. Intact.
playing Pac-Man. You were flying a plane full of human beings.
Hearing the simulator results, his thoughts were complicated. And he wondered what he was doing wrong. The next day, he attended NTSB with complicated thoughts.
Upload the link, please.
Birds.
Flaps 2.
Flaps 2. Too low. Terrain. 50, 40, 30, 20.
For the record, the pilots and the computer sims bear the same result.
Birds.
All the pilots on the simulator landed the plane safely at the airport. The situation seemed to be getting worse. At that time,
Can we get serious now? These pilots were not behaving like human beings.
Well, they may not be reacting like you did.
Immediately after the bird strike, they are turning back for the airport.
They had all the same parameters that you faced.
No one warned us.
Captain Sully's comments were accepted. And they added 35 seconds to the simulator.
Reaction decision time will be set at 35 seconds.
7 miles from
Caution, obstacle. Terrain. Too low, terrain. Too low, terrain.
extra speed.
Too low,
Flaps.
terrain. Too low, terrain.
50, 40, 30, 20.
Then, the airplane never reached the airport.
Pull up. Pull up. Pull up. Pull up.
Nobody landed the plane at the airport.
For the record, this is the CVR of U.S. Airways Flight 1549, gentlemen. Headsets.
The pilot voice recorder system showed how Captain Sully responded calmly to the emergency.
Birds. My aircraft.
Your aircraft.
Get at the key order.
If you remain in the mode, select your ignition. Press levers.
Idle.
ATC notified, squawk 7700.